How do you feel about the house?
Marvelous. Marvelous house.
Snuggled at the intersection of Eureka Valley and Mission Dolores, this top-floor condo is just steps away from the iconic Dolores Park and the lively Valencia Corridor. Look at that built-in shelving and decorative fireplace. The flexible floor plan allows for 2 or 3 bedrooms, offering versatility to suit your lifestyle. And don't forget these period details, picture shelves, and paneled walls. Definitely a classic San Francisco motif. The kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring white cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, and a convenient office nook. Step out onto your private deck to enjoy breathtaking views of the downtown skyline. Enjoy the shared garden with vibrant bougainvillea, star jasmine, and the lemon tree. Plus, enjoy easy access to transit and freeways. Listening courtesy of Eileen Birmingham with the Corcoran Group.